did pretty well. Oh, now it's permanently a part of it.
No, it's not supposed to be permanent, but yeah, this is the upgraded paper.
Yes.
Okay, so now I have one little sticker right over there. Isn't that cool? So this is the Pix Cut S1 photo sticker printer and cutter. It will print out stickers and cut them out for you, and it will also print out photos if you like. Alright, so the beauty in this is it is a photo printer, but then it will cut out the shapes of the photo, and this is using sticker paper, which then they sell. So now you have custom stickers that come out, and the biggest sheet size this can handle is 4 inches by 7 inches. This is live coming out of it. And this was a Kickstarter project called, I think it's the S1. Anyway, I'll link it. Oh, there we go. That was pretty quick. Okay, so now it's got the stickers printed, or it's got the photo printed. Now it has a built-in cutter that's going to cut around all the different shapes. I guess it'll take a little while. Oh, it's putting on the final glass fit on there, and so you can see roughly what that is. And also in the software, it has an AI background remover, which is, it says it's currently free. Oh, it's going out to the back right now. So now the back of the printer has the cutter. So it's gonna cut out the little shapes on there, and some of that is pretty small. So it combines all of that to then create the sticker. Now, the problem is that I hear from a lot of people is that the photo paper that came out with the Kickstarter campaign had some issues with adhering to surfaces. This is supposed to be easy to remove stickers. I'm just showing you some sticker paper here, right here. So this is the 4x7 sticker paper. There's 18 sheets, and this is for print and cut purposes. And then you have the ribbons for the prints. And it just comes in a whole packet, or a whole kit. And I hear it cutting. It's making this sound as the cutter's going through, I guess. Oh, is it done? Wow. Okay. That was a lot quicker than I thought it was going to be. All right, so you should be able to see perforations. You see that? And some of these are a little bit too close, so I'm just going to cut them out with scissors. Look, I made a little Minecraft poster of us because we went to sea. And then this is my latest niece. Okay, first niece in my wife's side of the family. That's with them. And then we got together for my dad's little memorial event down in LA. So most of us are wearing black there. And there's a picture of my other nephew. And also our trip to San Diego. So these stickers will then just pop right out. So let's see. Let me just pull these out here. Oh, there we go. How about that? All right, that's amazing. This is my first print. Seems to be really nice. Very this is really decent quality, and it came out a lot faster than I can hope for.